The Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Lady Keane College, Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Lady Keane College, Shillong and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykeencollege.edu.in.
The comments that came from senior Congress leader, Mr. Sam Pitroda, is indeed very unfortunate, and it has really hurt the sentiments of the people of Northeast and similarly people from other parts of the country. Being a person from the Northeast, we have seen and experienced in the past years, in the past decades, different kind of racial discrimination against the people of the Northeast. And we had hoped that we have gone beyond that now. But when we hear senior leaders from the Congress party speak in such derogatory and discriminatory language, it does really hurt the sentiments of our people. And so whatever context they may say that they have spoken in any context, a particular comment like this doesn't really go too well with the people of the country. This country is a diverse country, and the principles of this country is based on the diversity of the people that we have, whether in terms of its culture, the language, the looks, and that is what makes India what it is. And when you start to discriminate and make such kind of statements, it really goes against the entire idea of India itself. And therefore, I am very hurt, and we condemn this particular statement from the senior Congress party leader, Mr. Sam Pitroda.
Racist remarks made by Sam Pitroda, who happens to be the advisor of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And in fact, right from earlier times also, people from Northeast have taken a very serious view whenever they have been, akin to the Chinese. And here's a person who is an advisor to the senior member of the Congress party, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Sam Pitroda. He has termed that the Northeast people look like Chinese. We are not Chinese, we are Indian. To clarify, okay, we take him as to be an advisor of Rahul Gandhi. That's for the Congress to clarify.